Hello, JCA Insurance family. Welcome to another JCA Insurance Spotlight video. Today, we're pleased to have with us Darren Warren from Alcova Mortgage. He's going to talk a little bit about Alcova Mortgage and himself and what they offer. So thanks, Darren, for coming out and doing a video with us today.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, Darren, why don't you take a moment and explain a little bit about who Alcova Mortgage is and where they're from, because some of the viewers may not have heard of Alcova Mortgage before.
All right, sure. So Alcova started in 2008. In 2012, we actually got fortunate to be on the list of the 5,000 fastest growing private companies in America. With that, our companies are in multiple states. I personally am licensed in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area.
Okay.
I actually work out of the Rockville office, but I actually live in Fairfax, so the commute for me sometimes can be very hectic. But nevertheless, any consultation that is needed for me to come to Virginia or DC definitely can be made arrangements for.
So Darren, for me, the specific times of the year where it's good for the homeowners insurance, as far as being contacted with people that are looking for homeowners insurance because they're moving and it's a time of the year where they're going to different school areas and zones and districts. But talk to us a little bit about the mortgage industry as far as the timing of the market this time of the year.
Okay, that's a great question. I actually get that question a lot. A lot of people always ask, where's the market? Is it good to buy? What should I kind of do right now? And the biggest question is you have to kind of know your own status. So you kind of have to know where you guys want to be, what is right for you guys, and what you guys' goals and what you guys want to pursue. Because everybody's situation is going to be a little bit different. Mm-hmm. What I mean by that is if you're renting currently right now, it would be a good time to buy because you would actually be able to get a tax write-off and actually save a little bit more money on your taxes by owning a home. And what I tell people is some people get a little bit scared of, well, I don't want to necessarily move. Is this the right time? I don't want to be stuck down for 30 years. I mean, the statistic is that most people move houses 5 to 7 years. So you don't need to look at it as a 30-year commitment. But something you could look at it as is that it's a savings account. What I mean by that is the money that you're putting into your house, you're going to be gaining equity in your house, and you could actually use that money anytime that you need to, even if you need to use it for your college, for your kids to go to college, if an emergency happened, or anything that could happen in that just. So to wrap your question up, Juwan, today would be the right time to buy. Yeah. Just because it doesn't take much for things to happen in the economy for rates to kind of go up a little bit. Right. And so you don't want to miss your opportunity right now when rates are very, very low. And it is a buyer's and seller's market, and you can be able to find a home or your dream home at the cost efficiency of you not losing or missing out on anything.
I work with a lot of mortgage companies. So tell me, what makes Alcova Mortgage different, that differentiates you from all the other mortgage companies that are out there?
What I would first start off with is how our procedure. We first get a client in, we figure all their documentation. We try to build out a portfolio for them. Mm-hmm. And what I mean by that is that every situation is going to be different, like I said before. So we have people that might have a 560 credit score. We might have people that have an 800 credit score. Obviously, we want to provide the same service because we have unique products for each one in those different fields. Some of the products that we have that set us apart. One is a bank statement program. The bank statement program is for people that own their own business that are Schedule Cs. So a bank statement can be their personal and their business. So we need a bank statement for the last 12 months, or we actually can do 1 month, but you're going to have to be in business for 2 years. We also have another program for I-10. I-10 is a tax code for people that have tax IDs that have visas. So we also have that product. We have products for investors. We have different products for actually seasoned investors that have been controlling a property for at least the last 12 months. So we have an array of different products depending on the situation and depending on what you're trying to get out of the transaction. Because obviously owning a home is building wealth for not only you, but also from your family. So when it comes to my clients, I'm available 24/7. Yes, I do like to get some of my sleep, but I have a running joke with some of my clients that I deal with is just call me when you're in your bathrobe and your slippers and we'll get this thing done. The reason why I say that is because I realize sometimes you work a 9 to 5. Obviously, I have a job myself that I do mortgages. So sometimes it's a little better for consultation when you guys get off of work and don't seem as in stress to kind of go over it while you're still at work. So that's kind of one of the reasons why I work after hours for you guys, is to provide a service for you that is more convenient and more enjoyable, more enjoyable experience for you guys.
So even on the weekends, Saturday, Sunday,
definitely on the weekends, I still pick up the phone. I still make sure things get done because we want to make sure that the loan process goes smoothly. So I want to make sure that we're all in communication and get updates for you guys to know where we are in the process.
So that realtor who's coming off of a showing,
yes,
that's got a contract now in hand, and they need to start working on that mortgage. So they can give you a call and start that process and get it going.
Start that process, yes.
All right. So guys, you heard it. Give them a call. Well, I want to take the moment to say thank you to Darren Warren for coming out to do our spotlight video with Alcova Mortgage. So Darren, tell us, how can we get in contact with you, the realtors that are looking for a mortgage company to work with all your products and services, and also clients that are out there that are looking for mortgage companies also?
Here's my contact information. You can reach me 703-795-2522. Again, that is 703-795-2522. And this is my personal cell phone number. Also, you can reach me at my email at dwarren, that is dwarren, WARREN, at alcova.com.